Okay, so I'm doing. Well, I just want to eat sardines, and I want to see how they taste. I'm kind of scared. Mom, can you help me?
You got it.
Oh, psych! I don't want to do it no more. I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't want to. I thought they were tiny. Ew. I don't want to. I don't want to. It's still alive. How is it still alive? I don't want to. I don't want to.
It smells fishy.
I don't want to. I don't want to. Can I have a napkin or something? Can I have a fork to like take them out? Are you literally giving it a cut just in case I throw up? It's just like fish though, isn't it? It's just basically fish, right? I'm trying to get it. Is this basically fish?
Hey, look at me.
Yellow. It looks bad. Tastes good. Like, see, look at this. It looks gross and ugh. But it kind of tastes like tuna.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Now wait.
No.
Here, come on. Yeah. It's good. I thought. I don't see their bones. Do you? I'm gonna eat this whole thing. Ready? This is good. I'm gonna finish it.